Traders Inc. I hope you guys are having a great day. So let's get started on our market analysis for today, and today is August 16th, 2021. So S&P huge day today, both sided action today. Try to get past 442, wasn't able to do so. Actually, right now we're seeing SPY bounce very nicely on the day to close. Which is very bullish sentiment here. We got a nice hammer candle formation that's happening, which is great. And this is what the action we want to see, especially if you're long in the market, right? So we got the RSI going up here, but the overall RSI, I still think there's a divergence here that we could see later on that come to fruition. There's a lot of orders that were put into SPY today, which I will go over in a bit here. And that we're on to the downside. So we'll see how this all plays out. But overall today, it was nice. Now, there's another tool called advancers and decliners, which I won't get too much into. The overall advancers and decliners today weren't very strong. So the market shares weren't moving as high as, as the market's moving. Now, you have the triple Q here. The triple Q is in this price channel, respecting that very nicely. It's holding this range very well as well. You got your rectangle formation that's happening here. So we'll see if this holds up and it just trades within this range. It's got a nice candle here as well. As you guys can see, the Qs, they try to push it down. The other thing you must notice here is the EMAs. The EMAs are getting a little bit tighter here as well. So we can expect some sort of move to come in the Qs over the coming days, which can either push it higher or lower, right? So we'll see how it all pans out, but in August, don't expect too much. This is in consolidation. As you can see, RSI is negative. It is diverting to the downside. So we'll see how it plays out and when it comes September time. But, we can get a month's action that's in a range, right? So not a lot can happen here. Now, IWM. Small caps, small caps is doing the thing, respecting price really, not really going lower, not really going higher. It's within ranges, so we got multiple ranges happening here. So the lower range is down on this side, and now it's in the middle range right here, where price is respecting this 217, 215 mark. As long as it stays above this, I think it'll be fine. Small caps can have a bounce and move higher, but if this range breaks, then we try to target the 207. So we'll see how it plays out. We'll see where price takes us, but so far, we got the 8 and 21 day crossover, which is bearish for the interim. I wouldn't read too much into this until price breaks these levels, right? So we'll see how IWM does in the long run, but so far it's still fine. It's in consolidation. I'm not going to worry too much about it. The Dow had a nice day as well, since breaking out of this pattern right here. Dow setting up that it could go all the way towards the 365 level. So it's nice and bullish so far in the Dow Jones right now. This is a good sign. If Dow keeps picking up here, we can have a strong end of the year here in Dow with financials and manufacturing and industrials picking up. So Dow looks very, very bullish here. So the other thing we're going to talk about is gold. Gold, I've been bullish on gold for a while. Like I said, this is my range right here, 156, 155. If it doesn't break that, I'm bullish on gold. Right now it's setting up here going towards the 170 mark. If it breaks 171, we set the target to 180. We'll see how this does. It's a good thing to keep an eye on, just so you know how precious metals are doing. But overall, gold is fairly decent here. The other one that we usually talk about is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is nice here. Try to break above this range. Like I said, I would like to see a pullback. It did pull back a little bit to the 8-day, bounced. Now it's above the 8-day still in this little range. So we can have a consolidation. If this breaks this, target does become, up here and around the 60,000 mark. So we'll see how this does, how Bitcoin performs in the coming days. But overall, it's not bad at all. So that was a market recap for today. SPY's up, triple Qs are up, IWM's consolidating, Dow Jones is up as well, and Bitcoin is consolidating. So we'll see how it goes, and gold is trying to make a comeback. And we'll see how the rest of the market does for the rest of the week. Once again, guys, trade small, don't take big risks, and you'll last longer in this market, okay?